Hey guys, how you doing? Mark here, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a capture page, a splash page, and a capture page. And basically, I'm going to show you how to do that for free. And there's no charge here. Now, I'm also going to show you how to do it with an Aweber account because I have an Aweber account. And I'll go into even further detailed training with the Elite Marketing Systems Group members. But guys, I do want to show you exactly how you can set up these little pages that you can promote and get out there to people. And you know what? You're going to look like a superstar because this stuff is actually pretty good stuff. So, guys, let me head over to the screen, and I'll see you over there. All right, guys, here we are. This is the site that I'm talking about. It's Wix, W-I-X, Wix.com. And I'm not even going to sign in. Well, actually, I am going to sign in. I'm just going to make a different. I'm gonna make a different account because I want to show you some things here with this program that you can use. And you know, it's a very easy piece of software. And like I said, it's free. All you have to do is set up yourself an account, and then we can go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little sign-in thing here or register thing, whatever it is that I need to do. So that's my typical sign-in information. So I'm going to sign up. Let me click that. Okay, I'm going to type in a different email address. Let's go with the sign up. Let's see if that works. This field, type your password in again. All right, let's see how this works. Okay, here we go. And first page, what kind of website do you want to create? And we're just going to go with the business site, but you see you've got a variety of choices there. And we're going to create our site with the Wix editor. Okay, click on that. And then you've got yourself, you're going to come up with the templates, which you can, we're not even going to choose a template. We're going to go with something very non-traditional, or you know, it's just, we're just not going to even have a template. It's just going to be a plain Jane deal here. Let me see where we're at. And you could, if you want to pick up one of these templates, you could do that, but it's just easier to do your own thing. Okay, so we're just going to go over here to blank. I'm going to click on there. And I'll just go with the one-page layout right now. Make sure that's how I'm going to do that. Yeah, we'll just go with the one page. And we'll just click Edit. And that'll bring up the website editor. And guys, this is so easy to use. I mean, it is literally a click and drag type of deal. And what you do is you hover your mouse over the element that you want to drag to the page, and then you can move it around on the page. Very simple to do. Don't have to have a lot of technical skills to do this. This would be like, you know, probably not the most basic, but probably the next level up. And so that would be something that you could, you know, that you can, most people can do without any problems. And it's loading up here, so let's just give it some time. And remember, guys, we teach all of this stuff with the Elite Marketing Systems Group. We teach you how to set up these sites and how to do all these things. So let's go over here. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. I'm gonna get rid of that. So, now first things first, I'm going to get rid of some of these elements, like this one, and I'll just click on it, and then I just click delete. And same thing here with the background. Change strip background. Yeah, I'm gonna delete it. So, and same thing over here. I really want a clean slate, and so that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna take all of these elements out, and boom, that should almost be it. Okay, and even the bottom piece here is, these are all elements that you can put in, keep in, or whatever. Oh, take this out. All right. Okay. Now, one of the things that you can do, one of the things that I always like to do is I do like to put in a background. So my background, you can put in some type of static picture, or you can do an image. And Wix even has some images that you can use, or you can use images from your that you have stored up, or whatever that you have on your computer, or you can do the free images from Wix. Okay, and so they've got all these different images. So I'm just going to click on one of them, and I'm going to click on. Let's see. Let's say I'm going to make a little template here about. Oh hell, it doesn't matter. Traffic or something. So. You've got hundreds here, quite a few anyway. I don't know if it's hundreds, but you've got a lot. So, let's just go with this. Let's just go with this lake landscape, okay? And so click change background, and it should come up. Boom. Boom, there it is. Okay. Now in the center part, okay, here, this is your page, and we're going to change page design. So click change page design, and we're going to give it a customized design, and we're going to do something here. And then you can change the opacity. I can change it to where it's just a little bit, like so that you can still kind of see through it. So let's go 61%. Okay. Now, over here where you have the plus sign, and it says add, you can add different elements. Just click on that, add. And the very first thing is we've got these titles, the site title, that kind of jazz. You can go down here and just grab like this one here, huge title. Just click on that, and you've got your supposedly huge title right there. Click edit text, and you can put in at this point whatever it is that you want, whatever it is that you're promoting. Learn how to generate an income. Let's see. Learn how you can steal my system for success and generate thousands of dollars online. Let's see, thousands of dollars a week on autopilot. Okay, and I'm going to move this out here to the edge. Same thing over here. click this again. There we go. Okay, I'm going to move that all the way over there. And I'm going to move it up as far as I can, too. And you see, you've got all these lines and everything here to kind of show you where everything goes. But I'm going to edit the text. I'm going to actually change the text. But first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make it all centered up. Okay. And now I'm going to change the color because I don't like that gray. I'm going to make it black. Okay. And then if there's some things that I would like to do, like to see on a different color, perhaps I want to see, perhaps I want to put it in red. You know, I can put it in red. But let's just say I want, let's see. Let's just say I want the autopilot part in red. I think I can do that. And yeah, there we go. And we can change the font too. If you don't like that font, you know, we can change the font to whatever we want it to be. So I mean, it can be anything. You can make it Georgia. Boom. You can, you know, if you want to keep the text a certain way, you can. Let's see. Let's edit the text. We can make it all bold. Italicize it if that's what we want to do. Let's see how that looks. Okay, learn how you can steal my system for success and generate thousands of dollars a week on autopilot. Okay, I like that. Okay. And, okay, now I'm going to put another element down here. Let's say I'm going to put in a video. Let's just add a video, which typically I would put a subtitle in there. Yeah, let's go ahead and put a subtitle in there. Once again, you go to text. And let's go back up here to the top. How about site title, large heading? How about page title? Let's just put that right there. Okay. Now, here we can edit the text again. And then we can write, you know, we can write something up. Learn how you can steal my system and generate thousands of dollars a week on autopilot. Let's see. I'm exposing my secret formula that helps me generate, let's see, that helps me earn 6 figures a year from the comfort of my home. No technical skills are required. No marketing experience needed. Check out the free video course. Okay. Now, once again, I'm going to go ahead and run this over here. Okay. But, I mean, you kind of see how easy this is. Well, I mean, I hope you do. Very easy to do. It's not much to it. I'm going to move this up a little bit. Oh, let's see. Let's go ahead and edit the text again and go ahead and center everything up again. Or align it, however you want to say that. Okay. Now let's edit the text. And once again, we're going to bold all that jazz. All right, let's see. Let's highlight it. And now we're going to bold it, or make it bold, whatever. And I'm going to keep that, let's see. I'm going to keep that dark. It's going to be darker than that nonsense. And I'll keep it in that same text format, okay? So let's get out of that. Let's go ahead and raise this up just a little bit. Okay. Now at this point in time, you could go ahead, you can add in another video. So let's add another element. And let's go up here to the top and add in video. Let's see. There we go. Video. Just click that. And what you're going to have here is you're going to have the option to put in a YouTube or a Vimeo player. Just put in a YouTube player. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to center this up. And you'll see the purple line right there. And I'm actually going to make this a little bit bigger. So, you know, I'm just going to, okay, I'm going to make it quite a bit bigger. And that's fine. That's how I want it. I can probably even make it bigger than that. But now it's centered up. Now, to change that video, okay, because this is a video, and I've never watched it, but this is the video that's a default video on Wix. So if I wanted to change the video, I would just click here, and then I would put in whatever video I want. So I'm going to run over to my my dashboard. Let's see. I'm going to run over to my let's see. Let me go to my channel because I just want to grab a video, and this is my newest one. 7 reasons why people fail online. I just put it out last night. I'm going to share that. Let's see. Let's go down here to the bottom of that. Click on share, and I'm just going to grab this code right here, that URL. Go back over here to the editor. Change video. Okay, let's get all that out of there. Right click, paste, boom, update. And now here comes my video. 7 reasons why people fail online, blah, blah, blah. Now, I am going to continue to adjust this footer a little bit. Darn it. Okay, it's being a little bit stubborn. But absolutely, just work with it a little bit. You're going to find what it is that you need. So I'm going to keep that yellow border in, and that's about it right there. Okay. Now that's what I'm gonna keep that right there. And then in this video, I would probably say something like, you know, make sure you click the bottom of the button or the button underneath and go from there. Now, you have some options here. Okay. Because, I mean, you don't have to put in a contact box or anything like that. But what I would do is I would create, typically, if you have an AWeber account or you have some sort of hosting account where you are collecting names and email addresses, then you're going to put your form in here. And your form, you're going to get an HTML code, and you're going to be able to, under the More deal here, right here where it says HTML code, you're going to be able to click the HTML code or drag it over, and I could drag it over to this spot right here where it's all centered up and all that jazz. And I could put my HTML code in there. Okay, well, right here it just says enter code. I would enter my code right here, and then I would update it, and I would have my form right there. Now, typically what I like to do, let me get that out of there. What I like to do is I like to go ahead and use this first page as a little bit of a splash page, and I just typically will put a button in. So I'll just add this button. And I'll just put a oopsie button. Okay, I'm just going to put a well, any kind of a button right now. I'm just going to throw this button in right now. I'll bring it to the bottom. Ugly color. Don't like it. I'm going to redo it. Okay, number one, I'm going to go right here to where it reads design. I'm going to click on that. And click on that again. And I'm going to click customize design. And then I'm going to, the color that I'm going to make it, it's not going to be gray. Okay, it's going to be red. Okay, and if I wanted a darker red, I can change that by going here. And I can play with these colors. Okay, it's more of a cranberry color right here. I like it. So that's the one we're going to go with. Boom, add. Okay, done. And that's what our color is going to be. And I'm also going to change the button a little bit. So I'm going to give this button a little bit of a, oh, maybe this. Yeah, we'll do that. A little bit of shadow. And I'm going to make it a lot bigger, though. I'm going to make this button come out to here. And then now I'm going to recenter it up. Right there. And I'm going to change the text. Okay, and I'm going to change the text color. But let's see. Let's go with I'm going to change the text. Boom. Oops. It'll be down here. Oh, that'll be change text. I'm sorry. Click change text, and it reads button. Button. Okay. Awesome. But we're not going to have button. We're going to say send me to the free video. I'm going to have to make this bigger. Just fine. That's what I'm going to do because I want to make sure that text gets highlighted or gets whatever. But here's where I add a link for this video. Go back to design. And I'm going to go with customize design again. Go back to text. And we're going to change out that color. And I'm going to change it for like a gold. Yeah, I want a gold color. So I'm going to just go to change. This color right here is what I want. Right there. Boom. Add. Done. Okay, so oops. Let's go to text. Color. Boom. There we go. I like that. Okay. So I got our themes and all that jazz, font size. Now, and right here I can bold it. Okay, so which I did. All right. And boom, that's that. What you would do though, like I said, you want to put a link in. So you would click this and you would put in your link. Now, if you developed a second page, you could send it to a page, okay? Or you can send it to a web address. Or you can send it to some sort of document or some sort of page with the video on there. This could just be an image. Doesn't have to be a video. There's all kinds of things that you can do with that. If you're still wanting to collect the email addresses, guys, what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and get an Aweber account and get that set up so that you can start sending emails to people. But what we're going to do is we're going to save this one. And right now it says, payday for free, wixsite.com. This is your URL. I'm going to change this to, Splash 1 or Splash. What were we? I don't even remember what we were promoting. Oh, secret formula. Okay, and I'm going to save that, and that's what my page would be. This right here. You can copy this whole thing here, and that would be your site. Okay, so you can click publish, and then you can also view the site right here. Boom, we're going to view it, and in just a few minutes, guys, you've created this simple little splash page. Very professional looking, very simple, and video plays, whole 9 yards. And guys, it's just a very simple little deal that you can, let me turn that off, that you can create on your own, and you can start sending people to this page. Now, the other thing about Wix is if you want to go premium, you can go ahead and get yourself your own domain name, and you can put your domain name up there, and so that it would go to your whatever it is, markgrahaminformation.com or workwithmark.com or whatever, and you would come over here and you would see this. And so, guys, that's how you set up a little page. Very professional looking, very simple to do. And so like I said, you can have something set up to where people are going to a page. I'll set that up real quick. Let me do that real quick, and so that you can see that. And so let's click here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send someone to an email or a web address. So click it here, and my web address is going to be my elite marketing systems.org. And I'm going to have it open up in a current window, and so I'm going to click done. I'm going to publish that, and then let's go view the site. Okay, and I can also set that video to where it will start running right away. Okay, if that's what I want to do. And I can also change this, folks. Let's go back there and do that. I want to change the top portion of everything. My header does not need to be so freaking big. Let's just move this up here. There we go. Publish that. Okay, and let's view our site again. And this time it should be up a little bit higher. It is. And then we can click the video. Send me the free video. So I'm just going to click on there right now, and it's going to take you to the 5-day boot camp opt-in sheet. Okay, and that's how we do it. So, guys, not much to it. Pretty simple. I really like it. This is my ClickFunnels site. So, very simple to do. You can make, and you see how long it took. It did not take that long to do. Okay. And now you've got something that you can send people that looks very attractive, that people are going to be into. And like I said, once again, if you have your Aweber account, you can set up your form right here. You can start collecting the name and email address of everyone, start building your list. And, of course, I would always make sure that you do that. So, guys, that's how you do it. I hope you learned something from this. And make sure you go back to the video, rewind it, do whatever it is that you need to do. And start making some of those sales systems. Start setting some stuff up. For Elite Marketing Systems Group, I am Mark Graham. Guys, take care. Have a great day. I will see you at the top.